Hey, what's up guys? It's August 1st already, and I'm here to give you your monthly market update. So let's take a look at what happened in July in the real estate market in Vegas, all right? In July, we reached over 4,000 listings on the market for single-family homes, 4,045 actually. Closings were 1,818 closings, all right? So the big difference is inventory's going up, closings actually went down a little bit. Inventory's over 2 months. We have not seen that in a year already too. However, the median sale price has still gone up. The median sale price is 481,000. The percent of sale price to list price actually went down a little bit. It was 98.96 in June and then 98.36 in July. Days on market increased 1 day from 13 to 14, and the price per square feet went up $1. Okay, so all in all, let's talk about what that really means. Okay, so inventory has gone up. Definitely, I think sellers are out there wanting to capitalize on the hot summer real estate market. All right. However, I think a lot of buyers are still kind of waiting on the sidelines right now too. I mean, I think in this last month, a lot of things happened that created even more uncertainty. So a lot of people are kind of waiting to see what's going to happen as well too. As I had mentioned, prices have gone up though. So market looks pretty strong still. You know, in the month of July, the mortgage interest rates did go up as well too. So that probably had something to do with the slower market for this month too. However, they just announced that, you know, the Fed may cut rates in September. So we'll see what happens there. Maybe people are still waiting for rates to go down. But as I always mention, if rates go down, prices are going to probably go up. So we'll see what happens there. But more importantly, the big news is real estate commissions, all right? Sellers do not have to pay buyer commissions anymore. That's the big news in the real estate market, right? So before, sellers had to pay buyer agent commissions and their own agent commissions. So we're getting rid of the buyer agent commission this month, and we're going to see how that plays out, all right? It's a lot of things that are changing in the market. I mean, the way things were done for so long is now changing. So we're going to see how that affects the market. I'm thinking we're going to have more listings, even more listings. It'll probably create a good buying opportunity actually, because if there's more inventory, that means it's kind of shifting towards a buyer friendly market. And you're kind of seeing that already too. Builders are, you know, offering even more incentives right now, and as days on market increases and sellers become more motivated, you're seeing, you know, people being a little more negotiable, as you can notice with the slight decrease in sale price to list price ratio as well too. But let's see how it goes, all right? But that's the update, all right? But on the fun side, July is one of my favorite months too, because 4th of July is one of my favorite holidays. I really like fireworks, and I'm happy to say that this year the fire department did not have to come to our house to put out any fires, so it's a win there. And then I also took a family vacation to Boston, visited some family that I have not seen in a long time. This is my first time in Boston. It was really fun. I think out of the 7 days there, I probably had lobster like 4 or 5 days, at least 6 times for sure. So that was nice. A lot of lobster. Got some chowder. It was good. We saw, you know, Fenway, TD Gardens. All the historical stuff was cool. I saw Paul Revere's house. I went to the Boston Tea Party thing. They have this Freedom Trail thing that's pretty cool. You know, seeing things that date back to the 1600s. Pretty cool experience. My favorite thing I did was ride on a duck boat, which kind of goes through the city and then into the Charles River and everything. Really cool experience. So, but that's pretty much it. That's your monthly market update. I'll see you on the next one.